Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 a premium custom graphics card that continues to deliver strong performance for mainstream gamers. Built on NVIDIA's proven architecture and enhanced by ASUS ROG Strix engineering, this GPU remains a reliable choice for high-quality gaming and creative workloads in 2026. ROG Strix design and build. The 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 features ASUS's signature bold ROG Strix design with a reinforced metal frame and sturdy backplate. Its triple-fan cooling system is optimized for high airflow and quiet operation, making it ideal for extended gaming sessions. The premium construction not only enhances durability but also adds a refined aesthetic to modern PC builds. Architecture and performance foundation. At the core of the 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 is NVIDIA's efficient GPU architecture, refined through driver updates and software optimizations. This foundation delivers strong rasterization performance, improved efficiency, and reliable frame pacing. Even years after its initial release, the architecture continues to perform well thanks to ongoing support and optimization. Gaming performance. In gaming, the 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 excels at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Modern AAA titles run smoothly at high settings, while competitive games benefit from consistent frame rates and low input latency. With the right settings, the GPU can even handle light 4K gaming, making it a versatile option for a wide range of players. Ray tracing and DLSS. Ray tracing is a standout feature of the 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060. Dedicated RT cores deliver realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in supported games. DLSS further enhances performance by using AI upscaling to boost frame rates while maintaining sharp image quality, allowing gamers to enjoy advanced visuals without major performance compromises. Memory and bandwidth. The 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 is equipped with fast GDDR6 memory, providing enough bandwidth for modern games and creative applications. This memory configuration ensures smooth texture loading, stable performance, and reliable multitasking, even in demanding scenarios. Cooling and power efficiency. Cooling is a major strength of the 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060. The advanced heatsink and axial tech fans keep temperatures under control while maintaining quiet operation. Power efficiency remains solid for its class, making it suitable for systems with quality mid-range power supplies. Software and customization. The 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 benefits from NVIDIA's mature software ecosystem. GeForce Experience provides driver updates, performance optimization, and recording tools. ASUS Aura Sync support allows users to customize RGB lighting to match their ROG setup, adding a personal touch to their build. Who is it for? The 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 is ideal for gamers targeting high-quality 1080p and 1440p performance. It's also a strong option for creators who need reliable GPU acceleration for editing, streaming, and design work. PC enthusiasts who value premium cooling and build quality will especially appreciate this model. Conclusion. The 2026 ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 remains a capable and well-rounded graphics card. With strong gaming performance, advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS, and excellent cooling, it continues to be a solid choice for performance-focused users in 2026.